don't have much to say, but then I'm devastated. It sucks.
So we got the hell out of Reno.
We got the hell out of Reno, and we went to South Lake Tahoe again.
Back to South Lake Tahoe.
So we're making all the way around.
All around
all
the
the way
lake.
around the lake.
Back to South
all the way
Lake
back down to
Tahoe.
South Lake Tahoe.
We stayed at the Mountain Hostel, something, whatever.
But why
Yellow
are we
Mountain.
why are we going all the way around? Why are we going back to South Lake Tahoe?
Good cue.
Fireworks.
It's 4th of July.
Yeah.
And
Live music.
a 0 on 4th of July is almost mandatory.
And we stayed at the Mellow Mountain Hostel, and that was really cool. Hikers everywhere.
Right downtown, very close to
Yard
everything.
games.
Frickin' electric scooters you can rent, the Lime
Limes
scooters
are
or whatever.
everywhere.
Time to scoot. Yeah.
There's micro spikes in one of them.
Oh, I don't like that.
I don't either. Check them out.
Like we're aligned energy-wise.
All right.
Take the
I could climb that rock if I really fucking tried, but
That was one more throw than me.
More throw than you. I'm winning.
like, that's kind of the problem.
You can't even hold 3 of them, let alone juggle them.
I'm not hitting you with that.
Shit, but I had to work. I actually just recently got laid off. There's like 5,000 systems.
Oh shit, let me go again.
This is liability to you. Yeah, I still didn't catch your name because damn green. That's Jesus.
Alright, BC. It's stupid hard.
Office shuts down, everybody goes out to lunch. But this one I'm getting questions from them. They're really great company.
Hey man.
Went to Hard Rock and listened to some mediocre.
Terrible music. I laughed. I couldn't take it.
Come on.
When I hear Sweet Caroline on a frickin' Saturday night, I leave.
It's a piano bar. You have to know that that's coming at some point. You should have prepared yourself mentally.
They should have prepared themselves to have better songs.
Este amor é apaixonado.
Happy 4th of July! Yeah!
Vai que não logo Easy go, we can let it go. Just let it go. We can let it go.
We watched the fireworks and they were
Terrible.
mediocre.
They shot the fireworks off at the top of the CVS.
For like 2 minutes.
12 and a half seconds of...
It was kind of lame sauce.
Oh, baby, you never really take me down in your home. You're only good for somebody to tell you. Shining gold like the dirty room in the trees, young down the mountains, blowing like a breeze, country road. Sing it!
What was also kind of lame sauce is I bought a Roblox gift card accidentally. So if any of you fans out there know someone that uses that game or whatever it is, hit me up, comment below, and maybe I'll send it your way because I have a $50 gift card.
What an
for
idiot.
Roblox.
Yeah, you bought beer and some...
I spent-
you bought beer?
I spent
you bought
$88 at CVS that night.
And it was 10:30.
beer,
It wasn't like 2:30.
Insect
It was
repellent.
10:30.
insect repellent, and a
Ridiculous.
$50 Roblox gift card.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
But that's HD's fault, so blame HD.
HD, if you're watching,
Screw you, HD.
you're cool, but not,
And
not in that,
Kerouac.
not in that moment.
So-
But it was a great night. We
Yeah.
had fun, and You stayed up and partied, playing music and stuff with
Oh yeah,
Cheese Slice and
yeah.
Yeah.
Ran into
Snuggles.
Cheese Slice and Cody, and sure enough, they're in the kitchen doing what they do, doing
Half
some
naked.
music stuff. It was
Oh, quick
intermesh.
So here's the deal. I was down in Georgia this March doing trail magic. I met a girl that was also gonna hike the PCT this year, but she was gonna do a couple hundred on the AT first. Sure as shit, I walk into this hostel, and there she's walking the other way, and I double take her, and I'm like, "You're that one chick that was," and sure enough, it was cool to see her again. Like, we talked about meeting on the PCT.
what's her name?
Her name is, oh fuck, it's a catchy one too.
Is it forgetful?
No, it's something like not a name, or like
Can't remember it.
can't remember, or I ain't got a clue, or not a name, or
Don't have one yet. Maybe.
it was something weird. Yeah, oh, that story sucks.
Yeah.
Just
We'll
cut
edit
that the
out.
hell out. Let's just forget I ever said anything.
Was her name? I'll never remember.
I don't.
But it was good seeing her and catching up.
But it
with
was good to
whoever-
see her. and
Whoever the
just-
hell that was.
we
it was
both
great to see
knew
her.
who we were. It was great.
So we were a little bit hungover the next day, so we slept in, got some coffees, and slow rolled it out. And we made it all the way around the lake
Yep.
and went back to the old ski ranch.
So he could finally get his free beer.
Because Leapin' Louie brought my passport because it was in my van at his house.
Big ups.
Yeah.
So
Big ups.
I went back there. I got my 40 ounce. They didn't have King Cobra though, so I had to do a.
Yeah, 6% King Cobra 40 ounce. You didn't get the
I
Steel
did.
Reserve.
Oh, I did the King Cobra.
You got the
right.
bullshit 40 ounce.
Yeah.
But
You
what
really
happened
dogged on that.
is a lot of hikers were there and they didn't want to drink theirs, so they ended up giving us like theirs. So we ended up having a
Hike, yeah.
good time.
Round 2, 3.
Fight.
Sorry. So we were planning on hiking out that day, but we ended up drinking some beers, and then we went back to the trail, and we're like, well, let's go get dinner at the restaurant. And then we went back and had more beers and dinner, and then we pretty much camped.
Are you even talking right now? Thanks
Yeah,
for tuning
dude,
in, guys.
I tuned out.
We
Shit.
gotta get the fuck out of here. We
gotta order dinner.
gotta
before they
go. We gotta
close.
go.
It's
Thanks.
6
About
right
time.
now.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching, and remember to hike.
Your own freaking life, dog.
My life gives you a hamburger.
Stupid. Damn, you nasty, dude.
You're nasty.
You nasty. Don't put any of this shit in there. This is getting
Praise the
ridiculous.
Lord
Are you
every day.
trying to fucking? Oh my god.
You're really
So-
trying to throw some zing zing and bang bang.
I've been drinking.
Damn, he was right. He was the last one here and the
I'm
first one
playing
after.
catch up, and I think
Damn.
it works.
Yeah, it's working.
How's
Good.
my shirt look so clean? What's going on here?
I got a new one, but that's in
Why's
another
your arm
episode.
looking so crusty
Yeah,
and dry?
Did you not swim every day?
I
Did too
swam
much
yesterday.
swimming.
You swim today?
Yeah. I was gonna swim today, but look, there's no water in this lake.
about
there's
that?
a bit of a drought right now. We're sitting on the dock, and there should be boats here, but just us. So, anyways, we
Good God, the fucking MN hiking is